Hi, I'm Stephanie Prescott with Cheyenne Real Estate's Financial Fridays. I'm with REMAX Capital Properties and would like to share some tips and tricks with you to realize your real estate dreams, your goals. We're here to guide you through the process with small steps. I'm here today with Steve Prescott, our broker owner, and I'd like to ask him one of the frequently asked questions that we get, which is, how much money can I afford when I'm buying a home?
Right, so you need to know what kind of value you're shooting for before you start searching for homes, obviously. So the best way to do that is contact a lender. In the old days, we used to try to pre-qualify a buyer and see what they could afford. But right now, everything's so driven with credit scores and your income and those sort of things. So the best thing is to reach out to a lender, and if you need some help with that, we have a lot of good lenders to speak with. So a few things you're going to need to bring or chat with the lender about. One is going to be your income, and that's your total income that you have monthly. You're going to need to know your monthly expenses. So that doesn't include utilities, but it's going to include things like revolving credit, car loans, credit cards, things that are attached to your credit. And then they're going to be able to counsel with you, depending on your credit score, what you're going to be able to qualify. So there are two parts of that, though. One is what you can qualify. The other important part is what are you comfortable with, and that's really key because you don't want to be house poor once you get into your new home. So if you need some help with direction on lenders, we can help you out, but make sure you have your income. You're going to need some tax returns too. Don't forget those. And but most lenders can do that over the phone initially, so you can get pre-qualified and start going out and doing some home shopping. So
great. And they pull your FICO score, right? Your
correct.
Credit score?
Yeah, they can do that even over the phone now. So
Good. Connect with us today, and we'll help you get started on your home buying dreams.